Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing server software, Nextcloud for web access, or Resilio for peer sync, because each shapes your setup. Once chosen, make a dedicated user and a storage folder on the PC, then assign permissions so remote clients can read/write safely. Next, set a static IP or DHCP reservation to avoid address drift. This makes port forwarding reliable. Finally, install the server package and start the service so you can configure access in the next step. Now you make the server reachable and secure. First, configure your router to forward the chosen ports to the PC's static IP so external requests reach your service. Then set up dynamic DNS if you lack a static public IP. This keeps a hostname linked to your changing address. Once reachable, obtain a TLS certificate and force HTTPS to protect credentials and data in transit. Finally, install and configure desktop/mobile sync clients and verify. Finish by testing both local and external sync. Upload a few files, edit them, and confirm changes propagate. Make scheduled backups of the storage folder and export server configuration so you can restore quickly. Monitor logs and disk usage to catch issues early. If something goes wrong, start by checking the firewall rules and router port forwarding, then confirm the server service is running and certificates are valid. Those 3 checks resolve most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.